Alright, another quick video. Radiator filler cap, quantity 1. This is for the 1942 Chevy. So, set the camera up here a little bit. Open this sucker up. It's almost a shame to open it and take it out because look at that originality. That is Cosmoline. Cloth wrapped. Be careful not to cut my damn thumb open. Looking on the box again right now, I don't see a date, so it could probably be as new as mid-50s, but I don't care because it's old and original. And I thought, oh, I hate this crap. It's a great preservative, but it's sticky. I have a little, yeah. I have some gasoline here. Best solvent for this stuff. And look at that, look at that. Glug glug. Get a little paintbrush action going on in here. Bit of rust on the top. Well, that gasoline was clear when I put it in there, but not now. Get a rag here. Well, let's go see if it fits. Okay, so here's the old one. I don't know how long that's been on there, and I'm pretty sure it's just a generic radiator cap. But here we go with the pellet replacement. Oh, it fits like a glove. I love it. Nice. Excellent. Okay. Thanks for watching this little video. Later.